Video we're going to see about how to remove this action bar and how to remove this title from action bar. Let us start right now. Hi guys, my name is Nagesh and I am from 18bofficial.com. In this video we're going to remove this action bar. Okay, let us minimize our emulator first, and in order to remove these two items, and we need to go to this values folder and styles.xml file, and you can notice the app theme here. So this is the entire theme of the application, and if you can know, you can notice the colors which are here. So you can see the colors from this action bar are defined right here, and if you want to check this color, you need to go to this colors.xml file and you can check from here. So if you want to change, so you can change from here. And let us go to this android manifest.xml file, and you can see so the entire application is following this theme. And if you want to remove this action bar, so just you can change this dark action bar to no action bar. But if you change like this, it will affect the entire application. So for if you want to if you want to remove action bar for only one activity, so you need to create a new theme for it. So or else if you want to remove the action bar for entire activities, so all the activities that you create, and you can go with this you can remove this dark action bar and you can type no action bar now. So from now, so if you run our app, so all our screens will be without no action bar. And let me change to dark action bar, and I want only one screen without action bar. So for that I am going to create a new theme for it from this app theme. For that we need to type style, and first we need to name our theme. For that first we need to write app theme dot. So now we need to type the name here. So I am going to remove action bar, so I am typing it as remove action bar. So you can name whatever you want. And now, so let me close this and now we are going to remove two items. One is the windows, so the window action bar and the title, right? And for that we need to create two items first. One is so windows action bar, and we need to set it as false. Now if you run our app, if you set this theme, so you can see only the text, but you can't notice this windows action bar. But we need to remove this text, right? In order to do that, we need to create another item, that is windows no title, and we need to set it as true. And now we need to set this theme for the activity that we need. So I'm going to remove action bar for only for the main activity. So in order to do that, first you need to copy this line, and I want to remove action bar for only the main activity. So you need to paste it, and you need to rename it to remove action bar. And now let me run my app and see what will be the result. And now you can see the action bar is removed and the title is also removed. But so in order to check, we need to open the second activity, right? So for that I'm going to change the intent filter, and let us keep this to home activity. And now let me run app. So what is this means, if you keep this intent filter in home activity, so then home activity will be opened first. So now you can see this is our screen home activity, and you can see that the windows action bar is not removed. So this is how we need to remove action bar from specific screen. So in the next video we are going to see how to build splash screen. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.